Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Today I have come up with few items that I have picked up from IKEA. So let's start with the IKEA haul. The first item that I have picked up is this mocktail glasses. I picked up two of these. These are priced at around 99 rupees each. The next product I picked up is this cute glasses from IKEA. I got two colors of this, pink and blue. These are priced at 99 rupees each. These can be used for cold coffees and milkshakes, etc. This is how they look. I got 6 of them, 3 each. The next I have picked up this set of 6 glasses. So these look like this. This can be used for juices or mocktails. I got 6 of these. I think this total set is priced at around 599 rupees. The next product that I got is this tissue holders. This can be used to hold your tissues in the kitchen and it will be very easy to use. So you need to place your tissue roll here and you can use it easily. This is how it looks. I think this is priced at around 199 rupees each. The next product I got is the set of mixing bowls. These can be used to mix your flour, atta and can also be used as fruit bowls. I got 2 of these. These are made with wood and this is priced at around 350 rupees each. The next product that I got is this apple slicer. This can be used to cut your apples and this looks cute in this green color. Next product that I have is the citrus fruit juicer. This comes with a container glass lid like this. This can be used to squeeze your mosambi, orange, lemon, etc. This is priced at 349 rupees in IKEA. Next product that I have is this cute floor stiffer. So this can be used to filter your floor. You can place your floor here and just press it like this. It has wheels like this and it will stiff your floor. This is made of steel and I think this is priced at around 300 rupees. The next product that I have is this fruit basket. This is in cute white color. This can be used to store your fruits, wash your vegetables, etc. as this has holes around this. This is how it looks. This is priced at around 700 rupees. The next product I got is this colander. This is expandable and can be used to wash your vegetables, stir your rice with fruits, etc. Next product I have is this coffee maker from IKEA. This is priced at 900 rupees. This comes in different colors like pink, blue, white, etc. This can be used to make coffee. This is how it looks. So you can brew your fresh coffee in this. The next I have this cute tea infuser. This can be used to infuse your green tea or black tea. You can place your tea here and pour hot water and it gets infused from the holes here. This is how it looks. The next I have picked up this airtight seal containers. This comes in a pack of 50, 25 in big size and 25 in small size. 2.5 liter and 1.2 liter. This is priced at around 300 rupees. This is one of the best picks from IKEA. The next product that I got is this ceiling clips. This comes with a pack of 60. They have small size and big size as well. So the same pack contains small size clips and the big size clips as well. So this can be used to close your open polythene covers, Maggi and other staples in the kitchen, etc. So I picked up 2 of these. These are priced at around 99 rupees each. So the next I have picked up these rice serving paddles. This is how it looks. You can use it in your current cookers or regular pressure cookers, etc. So the next I picked up the set of 3 spoons. So this can be used to serve your desserts. The quality of steel in IKEA is really good. I think this is priced at around 200 rupees. The next product that I picked is this 3-piece kitchen utility set. This comes with a soup spatula like this and it looks it. The next product that I got is this oven made cake baked set. So this is a roasting thing that we have in IKEA, and this is oven friendly. You can bake your marble cakes, etc. in this. The next product that I picked up from IKEA is this open dustbins. They are priced at 69 rupees. These are one of the best buys and most picked from IKEA. They have different colors in this, like black, white and red. As in my earlier haul, I have shared that I use these pots as plant potters. So the next item that I have picked up is this lid organizer. It looks like this. We have to assemble it. So it comes with screws and containers like this. So let me assemble and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks when you open. So this can be used to store your plates, cooking pans, etc. after washing. So this is a product. This is priced at 699 rupees. This is also one of the best picks for your kitchen. That's it from my today's IKEA haul video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Stay safe, stay happy.